Here's our Instant Pot Copycat recipe from Marie Callender's famous golden cornbread. Start with 1½ cups all-purpose flour and 2/3 cup yellow cornmeal. Add 2/3 cup sugar, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, and ½ teaspoon salt. Whisk to blend. Add 1 large egg and 1 yolk. Add 1 cup of milk, any variety, and 1/2 cup vegetable oil. Whisk until smooth. Then pour the batter into a 7-inch springform pan that you've sprayed with baking spray. Add a rack and 1½ cups water to the insert of a 5, 6, or 8 quart Instant Pot. Add the pan of batter. Cover the Instant Pot, cook on high pressure for 28 minutes, followed by a natural release. Meanwhile, mash 1 stick of butter with 2 tablespoons honey until smooth. Let the cornbread cool at least 15 minutes before unmolding. Then slice it and serve with the honey butter.